you like kayak fishing, camping,
Oh no!
you might want to check out our channel.
Yeah,
Bridges in front of me are the Interstate 275. Extremely low water here. We come out today really to do a test of my kayak, trying to find a leak. And this run should tell me where it's at. I'd like to do a shout out to Brian, who I just met at the launch area. Said that he follows my channel. Appreciate it very much, Brian.
Well, I fished for about an hour or so. There really wasn't much happening. So we'll get right to how I found a leak in my kayak by the process of elimination.
Alright, I pulled up on the island here. I'm going to take some of the stuff out of my kayak so I can tip it over, remove one of the two pieces of tape on there, and that'll definitely tell me which one's leaking, which one needs repair. Okay, here's the two places I marked. I'm going to remove this one because I really believe it's probably this one.
Now the reason I had these two places marked is where the bigger tape is where I had a previous leak when Tom and I were on a road trip to Mosquito Lagoon. And the smaller tape was just a suspected area. Normally, to find a kayak leak, I'll put the kayak on a dry piece of concrete and start to fill the kayak with water, and that'll usually show you the area that is leaking. But there was no sense going through all that trouble when I had a pretty good idea of where the leak was coming from. Now this test showed me that the leak was where the bigger piece of tape was, which is where it leaked at a previous time. So I then was able to take my kayak over to Tom's garage, where I plastic welded it, and I've been out a number of times since then, and it is fine. If you own a kayak, I would recommend that you own a plastic welding kit. You can get them at Harbor Freight for only around $20, I believe. There is a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do that procedure. The tape I found that works the best is Gorilla Tape. I keep it in my kayak all the time. The first time I developed the leak, when Tom and I were at Mosquito Lagoon, I used the Gorilla Tape on it, and I was able to finish out the week of fishing with no leaks at all.
fish today, but in reality we didn't fish that much either. I said in the beginning, my main reason to come out here was to find out where my kayak was leaking, and I accomplished that. It's only about the second time I've been here, and I like it. I'm going to get this kayak straightened out in the next day or two, and then we're going to come back here maybe for 3-4 days and really explore this place. I think it has potential. We'll see.